Okay, class, I welcome you to today's tutorial. My name remains Bolaji Johnson, your coach, of course. In my last class, I told you guys that I will be teaching you on how to give an effect to any flat background, and I will make your designs come up better and appreciated by your viewers or your clients. So this is just a job that I did, and my clients appreciated it. And one of the reasons that makes your client to appreciate your job is the presence of your effects and how you're able to do these effects. All right, today we'll be having a fantastic class, and I'll be teaching you guys how I'm able to come up with these good and fantastic effects. So guys, if you're just joining me for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel. It's a form of encouraging me to do more video and to impact into your life. And also click on the like button and also click on the notification button. The reason is that whenever I drop any video, the system will notify you as soon as I drop it. So guys, let's go to the class. Now, I've told you on how to copy backgrounds, copy fonts, any type of fonts, and Google search has made it easier for graphic designers to do this. What you need to do is to simply go to Google search for any background. Like now, I'll be designing, my design will be based on, the Easter festival that is coming. And here we have, I will rise again. So whatever background we'll be using will be synonymous with the subject, I will arise. Did you get? It will be synonymous with the subject and with this festive, period theme, which is Easter festival. So what you need to do is to quickly go to your Google search, click on Easter background, and the system will bring out lots and loads of background that's that is synonymous to Easter festive period, right? So I'll go for this. Do you get? Then copy and paste. So once I paste, yes, my rectangle box has been drawn. Okay, so I need to arrange this. Do you get? All right, then this can come here. Okay, then I'll bring my this is why I say you should be familiar with your Google search. I got this thing while I was searching for a background, so immediately I saw it, I picked it, and now it is useful. Okay, so I bring this here to the middle. Okay, then bring this here. It's a this is what they are presenting. Let me just do it this way. Presents. So this is a tautology, so you have to remove this. Present, cornerstone, better experience. So let me use another good font. Okay, this is more like it. Okay, so guys, hope you are learning something valuable. Okay, then I can do this. So let me just reduce it a bit. Let me reduce this a bit. Okay, there, this comes here. Reduce it a bit. All right, so don't forget, we're talking about how to add effects to your background and makes it looks sharp and beautiful. With the help of effects, your design looks so amazing to your audience or your clients. Okay, this is it. So to me, there is no effect yet. So what you need to do, these are effects. These are my effects. These are my effects. Do you see? And this is as flat as nothing. I don't really like it, or it doesn't look so professional to me. So how do you get this effect done? You go to your Google search, click on lens, then these are lenses. Okay, these are lenses. This is what I use. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. So once it gets here, it's it's not really making sense. So what you need to do is to go to your transparent hue, click on it, come to your property bar, click on normal, then search for screen. Can you see that the old black, the black background is off? So that is the help of screen. Then once you click it, it moves. Then you can make use of it, use it the way you like. Can you see the effect? Look at the effect. Look at it. You can use it the way you like. So I think it will be better here. Then I will bring this here. Okay, that is the effect I'm talking about. So this I will need to give it a bit of shadow to make it come up a bit. Okay, adjust this. All right, then I need to do something here. Okay, I don't really like what is here. Okay, so do I need to change the okay, let's do this. All right, making use of your interactive tool to give it multiple color. Okay, so you will find out that even the little cloud are showing, the little cloud are popping out on the thing. Rise again. Can you see that? So what I did here was to click on the right up, go to transparent hue and make use of screen. Look at it. Click normal. You can see this is just a flat way of designing. Do you get? This is just a flat way. So this is not really professional enough. So if you want it to look more professional, all this cloud, to show rightly on the surface of this of the text, you go to click on it, click on transparent hue, click on normal, then locate screen. Then you have this magic done on it. It's as simple as that. So guys, I hope you have learned and acquired some knowledge today. So like I said, it is as simple as this. You can decide to add a bit of gray, or let me see, you keep trying your best color. All right, so I think it's good this way. It's good this way. So this is how you can do this. And let me take this in power clip. Okay, bring this up. All right, so let me take this in as well. Let me take it in. Okay, cut, power clip. Then bring this up. Okay, this is my effect. So it is as simple as this. This is how you can simply add an effect to your background. Do you guys see? All right, so let me make this darker a bit. Okay, so I go to effects, go to adjust, move to gamma, then add some effects, darken it a bit. Okay, all right, this is how I'm able to come up with this fantastic and fantabulous design of mine. So guys, I'll be expecting you in my next class. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the like button. Support me. God bless you as you do that. Bye.